Here's a 2015 Lexus ES350. This ES350 is state-of-the-art in the art of arrival. The crafted elegance and athletic performance give you a luxury sedan others won't soon forget. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Lexus, performance in every detail. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.